Protects your countertops from hot items like pots and pans. This is a utensil holder that looks like a dog, and it also doubles as a steam releaser. This is an avocado peeler that cuts your avocados in perfect slices. And it's also dishwasher safe, so it's easy to clean. This basting brush lets you easily spread oil or butter on your meat, toast, or fruit. This is a utensil holder that looks like a crab, and it's heat resistant, so you can put it on any pot.
If you always spill your drink, then you need this gadget. This is the Couch Coaster. It is a weighted armrest that works to hold your mug, drink, remote, and even phone. It is anti-slip, so you don't ever have to worry about spilling your drink.
For your house. Okay, so I recently got these storage bags on Amazon, and not only do they zip up, but they come in 3 different sizes. They also have little windows on the front so that you never forget what it is you're storing. They're perfect for holding so many different things and keeping your stuff looking new.
This rotating grater is easy to use and shreds your cheese in seconds. The lock system suctions to your countertops so it never moves, and it can be used for a variety of different foods. It even comes apart easily for convenient cleaning.
Amazon Kitchen Fave. These fridge containers have so many features. There's a removable divider that can also be used to layer your produce, a removable basket, and bottom drainage. The pack comes with 3 different sizes, perfect for fruits and or vegetables. They are stackable and have 2 vents in the top. Linked in my Amazon shop under Kitchen Faves.
This waterproof, sandproof tote bag is made of silicone to withstand all of the summer elements, but stylish enough to take with you everywhere this summer. Always have the best seat at the pool with this portable chair with a built-in carrying handle. And this melon slicer easily divides your favorite melon into 12 even slices to enjoy this summer staple as a snack or meal.
This steering wheel tray is only to be used while the car is parked. It's perfect for those that work from their vehicle or those longer car rides. There's 2 sides, one for your meal. It also has a spot for your tablet, and then the other side is perfect for things like your planner and your laptop. Lots of color options. I have a gadget I think you'll love. We have pizza night every Friday, and we've been using this since we got it. This pizza pack is genius. Instead of storing a big box in the fridge, use this expandable pizza pack. It also has 5 microwavable plates. It keeps your pizza fresh longer, and when not in use, it collapses for easy storage.
These suction cup hooks don't require any adhesive. You simply twist them on and off. Will stick onto any flat surface and can hold up to 15 pounds. Last, this portable light will come in handy in so many different ways. It comes with a removable, flexible tripod base, will work indoor and outdoor, and is also magnetic.
This $6 product will prime, spackle, and sand holes in the wall all in one tool. This product makes getting your security deposit back affordable and super easy. Follow up with this paint pen that allows you to put any color paint in the body of it to easily touch up marks mess-free. If you don't have tons of storage space, you need this ultra slim lightweight ladder that fits into just 2 inches wide of extra space you have. It comes with anti-slip steps, 2 sizes, and perfect for reaching those taller areas. And this hands-free magnetic flashlight makes it easy to work on darker spaces around your home.
This expandable shelf is renter-friendly as it doesn't require you to drill any holes and is really easy to install. It can hold a ton of weight and can be used as a clothing or a drying rack. It's also perfect for hanging your brooms and mops.
Amazon travel must-have. This handheld steam iron heats up in less than 25 seconds. You can continuously steam for up to 15 minutes, and it has a pump steam technology so it won't leak or spill. The ceramic heat does not damage clothes, and it can be used on many different types of fabrics. But the best part about this steam iron is it is small, compact, lightweight, and easy to travel with.
This mixing bowl set each comes with airtight lids that turns into Tupperware, and each lid has interchangeable discs that let you grate, zest, and slice food. These lids also act as splatter guards when mixing ingredients. These bowls are fingerprint proof, have non-slip bottoms, handles, pour spouts, and measurement marks, so prepping, storing, and serving food will be a breeze.
Shade. This one opens and closes like an umbrella. It literally takes seconds to open and close, and stores tiny just like a pocket umbrella. Wrap it up, put it in your glove box, and you're ready to go. Enjoy!
Electric, so why isn't your mop? This gadget will give you the professional scrubbing boost that an hour of elbow grease can't. This one is rechargeable, so no cords dragging. It has a built-in water tank so you can spray as you go and properly mop with minimal effort. It's height adjustable, has a built-in light to help you see what you're cleaning, and a smart mop bucket that electrically spins the mop head squeaky clean and drains water into the bottom for easy disposal.
One of the first items I bought for the new home is this microfiber dish drying rack. I love that I have a spot to temporarily store the dishes that I don't put in the dishwasher. I also really like how pretty the design is. It folds up for easy storage and you can throw it in the wash too.
for breaking down boxes or cutting open those items with hard to open plastic packaging. This stainless steel grill basket is perfect for barbecuing all sorts of different types of veggies on the grill. And speaking of grilling, these grill mats are great for cooking fish on the grill or anything that might stick or fall through the grates. This digital tape measure will ensure that your measurements are accurate and easy to read every time, and even has memory functions. And this portable vacuum has a 16-foot cord and lots of attachments and a carrying case, so it's perfect to leave in the back of your car for when you have those unexpected spills.
And with the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug, you can customize the temperature of your coffee all from an app on your phone, and it will keep the exact temperature you select for hours.
And the Barbecue Daddy Grill Brush by Scrub Daddy is bristle-free and is activated with just water, using steam to clean your grill. You can find these and lots more last-minute Father's Day items over in my profile.
Is easy to store and bring with you wherever you go this summer. It sets up in seconds and features a non-slip resistant base, wrapped edges to prevent punctures, and an easy drain on the side. It's a fantastic pool for your kids or for your fur babies and is available in 6 different sizes. And this universal pool cover keeps debris, leaf, and trash from getting into your pool. It fits most brands of pools and has a strong enough elastic edge to wrap around the pool for full coverage. They're both linked in my Amazon storefront, so go check them out. Follow for more.
Amazon Home finds it just slap. This silicone thingy automatically clings to any smooth surface like sinks or countertops, has a pocket to hold your hot care tools like straighteners or curling irons, and it's heat resistant up to 500 degrees. And this outlet timer can turn off those hot tools based on the time you set, so you don't have to worry about accidentally leaving it on when you leave.
Or a party, you'll want the world's largest turntable built for dining room tables and kitchen counters. Each tray is heat resistant to act as a trivet and also non-slip, so food stays in place. This gadget takes less than 2 minutes to put together, and you can expand it to add even more trays. Entertaining this season has never been easier.
Tray sits over sofa arms to securely hold drinks and snacks, or make this a large tray that just rests nearby you on the sofa to hold a lot more items. Keep organized by placing items that easily get lost on this couch tray.
Take all your items from your car to home in one trip with this super lightweight and expandable cart with stair climbing wheels. The lid acts as a seat and can hold packages and items up to 240 pounds. The inside is perfect for carrying in groceries, beach, pool, and sports equipment up to 150 pounds in one trip, and it's easy to store in your car or home.
This cloud suitcase, which is hard shell and has lots of storage. These organizer boxes that can be used for lots of different types of items. These elastic bands you place over your sheets to keep them organized. This hard shell waterproof toiletry bag to store all of your essentials on the go. Last is this cable organizer box to hide ugly and messy cords.
Drying rack is perfect for everyday use. It's stainless steel and silicone, so it grips to your sink and stays there. It also has a built-in utensil holder and a spot for your lids too. I love using it for when I'm washing my fruits and veggies as well. You can also use it for a cooling rack. Be sure to measure your sink before you purchase, as there are a few different sizes available. Set is the perfect addition to your kitchen. They are made of high-grade silicone and heat safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply rest the tool on the edge of the cookware so drips stay in the pan and off the counter.
This fully adjustable bed caddy slides under any mattress and comes with 2 USB ports to charge your devices. It holds tablets, books, magazines, remotes, and your drink, and adjusts down when not used.